In this video, I'll be showing you a very risky but profitable rise and fall strategy, okay? So I want you to follow closely and listen to everything that I will say, and please try as much as possible to implement what I will do, all right? Now, when I trading rise and fall, I want you to do this. Now, I want you to come to indicators, okay, as you can see right here. All right, as I've said, this strategy is very risky, okay? I'll be putting out more strategies, so please make sure you subscribe. So just come to indicators. I want you to come to momentum. All right, in momentum, I want you to select this. I want you to select relative strength index. All right, I want you to come and select. Now, in relative strength index, I want you to come here, click on it. All right, just click on this settings icon. Once you click on it, I want you to come here and set to 70 and 30. So you come and set 70, and for the oversold, you select that. Right, once you select that, select this to be, let's select to be green, and for the oversold, select it to be red. All right, and then click done. Now once you do that, you will see it there. Now you go back again to indicators, and then you come to trend. Now in trend, I want you to select Ichimoku clouds. All right, select it, and then I want you to select in momentum, also select stochastic momentum index, and then you go to volatility. All right, yes, go to volatility. You can select Bollinger Bands, and finally we select moving average. Now once you select that, guys, you're okay. Now once you come here, okay, now we're going to be asking yourself, what is the purpose of all these indicators? Okay, they're too crowded. As I told you guys, and I've said in multiple videos before, we do not rely on indicators. We basically use them as confirmation, and having multiple indicators will not harm you. It will give you more of a confirmation. All right, now this strategy is very risky. All right, so listen closely. I want you to come here and select minutes. All right, and if you see that the indicators are too crowded, you can just come and delete some of them. So let me come here and delete and remove Ichimoku because it is making my chart seem crowded. Yeah, this is much better and more cleaner. Now, once you see that all your indicators are correctly placed, I want you to come and select minutes and then put 5 minutes. Okay, and ensure you have enough capital in your account. If you do not have enough capital in your account, please do not trade this strategy because it is very risky. Now, once you do that, come let's say you have an account of so I'm using demo because I want to illustrate how this strategy works. Let's say you have an account that you have an account of let's say even 1,000. You can just take let's say $80. All right, yeah, because in this strategy you need to use quite a high stake. All right, that is why I've said it is very risky. And then I want you to zoom or use a time frame of 1 minute. Okay, now in this time frame, once you see a candle is starting to become red, all right, just give it a minute. First of all, you zoom out and let the indicators give you a general idea. As you can see right now, the way the indicators is moving is signifying that the chart will start going in the downwards direction. So I'll just zoom in, and then I'll just wait for the red candle to start forming. Once it starts forming, I will press fall immediately. So that is what I'm timing right now. I want to show you how this strategy works. It is very easy. I call it the touch and go strategy because this strategy is something else. So let us see. As you can see in my indicators, as you can see right here, the indicators they signify the chart will go down, and it went down, and then it went up. So every time it crisscrosses, the chart moves towards the direction it is crisscrossing towards. Okay, as you can see, there it is. So I'll come here and press fall. Okay, now when I press fall, I want to show you what will happen. So just give it a minute. As you can see right there, it is 0.25 profit. Okay, it's a loss. And then I want to sell. So you have just made $7 in 1 second. So that is why I'm calling it touch and go. You play safe. Okay, immediately you start seeing some significant profit, withdraw as many times as you can, and believe me, you'll make a lot of profit. All right, so you just use the indicators to identify the direction the market is going. Zoom in. I can try again. I don't know if it will work, but yeah, let me try again and see. So I want to show you once again. Let us see. I don't know if this time it will move. Yeah, it is going. Let us see. All right, so okay, the market now is quite changing a bit. It is very risky, and anytime okay, this is very nice, by the way. Now in this strategy, once you see you've made some profits, you sell immediately. Don't wait until the time expires. Okay, you sell immediately. All right, and then this another thing. Once you start experiencing losses, and you start seeing that the losses are now making the contract value to become less than half of what you staked, please sell it also, because you don't want to blow your account too fast. So it is very, very risky. Only do it if you can afford to do it. All right. So basically, the indicators will help you identify the direction of the market. But first of all, do your own analysis. I've made several videos on how to understand candle charts. Once you identify the direction, zoom in. Immediately start seeing some profits in this section, in the open position section. Close or sell that position immediately. Do that multiple times, guys, and you will make your profit every single day without failure. Again, use a significant amount of stake, but be careful. Once you see the contract value is becoming less than half of the amount you staked, please get out of that market. Sell it, you will come back and recover it with a higher stake. Another thing, ensure you have enough stake in your account, because if you do not have enough stake, you'll end up losing, and that is something that you don't want to do. So as you can see right here, my contract value is 63.63. What did I stake? $80. Okay, so immediately this contract value drops to below 40, I will close this trade. All right, it is better I lose 50% than lose 100. Again, it is very risky. That is why I will be showing you more safe raise and fall strategies. So please, guys, stay tuned. But I'm only showing this to the high risk takers. Guys, go and try it out. I will not promise you that it will be 100% profit, but if you do it rightly, you will get some nice profits. Okay, this one I placed it at a wrong time, but I wanted to show you what happens in case you undergo a loss. All right, in case you undergo a loss. As you can see, my contract value is 27. Okay, so as you can see, that I should have closed this trade when it was 40. So avoid such situations, because when you do this and you do 2 runs and then you go losses, you'll be blowing your account. All right, so like for this one, I will undergo a loss of 65 because I did not close it when it was only 50% or half of the contract value. So the main point of this strategy, it is very risky, and I know it is very risky. All right, but please only try it if you can afford to. Ensure you have enough capital. Use a significant amount of stake. Ensure you identify the direction of the market clearly. I have made several videos on that, on how in this video I've not done any analysis. I've only depended on the indicators, and also this is to show you that indicators are not always accurate. So please be careful when you're using them, because as you can see, the indicators are signifying the market is going down, but as you can see, I've just lost it here because the market was going up. So only use indicators as a confirmation after you have done your own analysis. And lucky for you guys, I've made several videos on understanding candle charts. I will link that video down below so that you can go and watch how to understand candle charts deeply. All right. Apart from that, guys, please go try it out. Be careful. Try it out in demo first. Don't try it out in your real account, because you can end up blowing your account, and that is something that you don't want. Okay. Apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please keep trading, keep pushing, guys. Please make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, and if you have any question or comment, please put it down in the comment section and WhatsApp me, and I will answer you. Apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, guys, and good luck.